I know what you're thinking. It's a new year, things will be different, right? Things are different. I feel like something has changed. I have a beard now, but this is about you, right? You're holding in the shades, trying to be saying to yourself, this year will be different. I will make it this year. I will do things differently. And you're like, I will fake it till I make it. And pushing yourself through the tax season, understanding what to do, how to do it, getting all the documentation that you need, all these letters that are coming into your mailbox, managing all your customers. I can tell you, I feel you and I am with you. This is a new update from DJM and what we have got going on. Don't feel the overwhelm. I mean, I feel it, so I know exactly where you are. And you're thinking to yourself, man, if only I could source and outsource everything, would that work? And you try it and it doesn't work and no cigar. That is one of the fun things about business, is you always run into things you never expect. You take it to the next chess move and move forward and realize, oops, that's the wrong move, and you go back and you try it over and over and over again until you finally find what's happening. And this is what this year is about. There are some new things that I want to share with you about what we're doing. I feel like we leveled up last year and learned that connections and partnerships can get us to those next places that we want to go. And for you guys as customers, there's a lot more on the line. So we have workshop stuff now, we have all the web and marketing services that we offer, and then the merch store. But how do we tie everything together? So here's what's coming. There's a beta launched loyalty program for anyone and everyone, and it's gonna give cashback and point values. So you guys can go check that out. But we can also offer this to you as clients. So that's what's really next level about it. So if I come to my screen over here, if you can see this, there's different tiers. There's a starter tier at 1% off. And then it goes up to 2% for Pioneer, all the way up to Champion at 4%, and then the highest is the GOAT, 7%. And then this is what it looks like, and you can access it through the website, joining the loyalty program itself. There will be some things we'll work on that, and the kinks will fix and work out. If you are a client, make sure to do a meeting with us, because a lot of the projects are in progress, but there is more that is coming and happening. So let's get on board and touch base so that we can make all the stuff possible. One final caveat on the program is we had to build a lot of partnerships to get this live. And people that are already with us, we're gonna give them like 2 to 3 months credit back on points, and those points can be claimed back on certain credits. So you can either buy credits to get through the different tiers, or you could just use the credits on merchandise through a claims page, and then you could also use it on workshop utilities and things like that. But yeah, if you have questions, let me know. I'll definitely get to them. And we have a really cool podcast coming out with an Inc. 500 company, and I'm excited to kind of just deep dive that, because it's a relationship we've just recently developed. And I guess the final little tidbit is relationships, the right partnerships. If you're stuck, don't do it alone. Jump in, ask questions, call, email, connect with somebody to get you through whatever you're going through, because that's really what's elevated our brand over the years. And for the first time, this year is an execution year. We have systems in place with the AI stuff on social media posting, with funnels and landing pages and blog posting that you guys use, loading speed now available on Wix and WordPress, and getting in front of those clients is now easier than ever. And we put a lot of resources into every account on the back end of things. You guys don't always see the updates, but you will realize that we try and build things at the highest level we possibly can, and we're expanding with that even further. And then if you know of any car dealerships that are needing certain, we have this new program where we get deals instead of getting leads, we help them find deals quicker through a whole system with AI, and it's called the Drive Ignite program. So we've made a few partnerships in that, and that's going to be an extra focus of ours. So we're doing referrals. You can go check that out on the main website. We're doing affiliates. You can go check that out on the workshop side. So there's a lot happening, and there's a lot available for you guys. And this should at least square you up and get you ready for this next year to get even more from us. You're now getting cash back on already what you're spending. So you can stack those things together. But anyway, cheers. Stay awesome. Go crush it out there. And I look forward to making more and more content that's dynamic and fun, and that works with the DJM brand. Cheers. Bye.